In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get your GitHub profile link. This is really useful when you need to share your GitHub profile with collaborators, potential employers, or anyone who wants to see your projects and contributions. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen and click on your profile avatar. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you directly to your GitHub profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Here you'll see your GitHub profile URL. Your link will typically look like github.com/your username. This is your unique GitHub profile link that others can use to view your public repositories and contributions. Click on the URL in the address bar to highlight it, then right-click and select Copy or press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now your GitHub profile link is copied to your clipboard and ready to share. To verify that the link works, open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Press Enter to open it. If everything is working correctly, you'll be taken directly to your GitHub profile page. This confirms that your profile link is active and ready to share. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved and tested your GitHub profile link. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.